In this video, you will learn how to create a configurable workflow. A contract administrator can create a configurable workflow. To do this, click Menu, Administration, click Workflow Configuration. You can create configurable workflows for clauses, templates, contracts, and obligations using task list and rules. Task lists define the list of tasks to be executed in sequence, and rules define the set of conditions based on which a task list is to be executed. Let's start creating a configurable workflow. For example, to create a task list for an obligation, on the Task List tab, click Obligations and then click plus. Type the task list name and description and then click plus. Select a task type and enter the task name and description. Select an assignment type, search and select a user from Assign To, and then click Create Task List. On the Workflow Configuration tab, you can view the created task. Change the task status to active, and then you can add the created task to rules. You can also open, edit, and delete the created task. Let's create a rule for an obligation. Click Obligations and then click plus. Type the rule name and description. Search and select the required task list and organization. You can select the All Organizations checkbox if you want to apply the rule to all the organizations. Select a contract type and event on which the rule must trigger, and then click Create Rule. On the Workflow Configuration tab, you can view the created rule. Change the status of the rule to active. The rule is executed. You can open, edit, and delete the created rule, but not the default rules. And that's how you can create a configurable workflow. Be sure to watch the other videos in this series.